Hello guys, my name is Rohit Gautam. I'm the founder of Actify Cybersecurity. I'm into training since many years. My students have been into the top 15 security researchers thrice in a row from India. Apart from trainings, I'm a cybersecurity consultant, bug bounty hunter, and a penetration tester. The skills and knowledge that I have gathered from my work and experience I have put into this course so that you will see the complete practical training for your bug bounty hunting journey. This course is suitable for those who want to work as a pen tester, developer, as well as this is helpful for those who want to do freelancing and want to do bug bounty hunting. The complete course is designed by me based on my experience of web application pen testing and bug bounty hunting. I have reported more than 500 bugs in many companies like Google, Facebook, Conclusion, Seek, TripAdvisor, etc. I have worked with many different private organizations as well as government organizations. I have worked with many banks in their information security team as a penetration tester. In this course, I will start with fundamentals of OWASP, which is very important for every one of us. Then we'll move on to the installation of Burp suite and we'll cover most of the major attacks which are helpful in bug hunting. The attacks will be XSS, Authentication bypass, SSRF, no rate limit, and CORS. In the attacks, we will start with the fundamental principle of how attack works till the exploitation and how to mitigate these types of attacks. In XSS, we will see what is reflected XSS, stored XSS, and DOM XSS. Also, I will teach you advanced techniques to bypass filters and manual balancing. We will also see what is polyglots and what are different types of blind XSS that you can perform. Next attack we will see is authentication bypass, in which you are going to do OTP bypass, two-factor authentication bypass, email verification bypass, etc. Remember, all the attacks that we are going to do is on the live websites only, so that you get the exact feel of your bug bounty hunting journey. Then we'll move on to the next bug, that is CORS. In CORS, we will see how you can exfiltrate sensitive data of other users and how you can get access to someone's very sensitive data. Next vulnerability that we are going to see is SSRF, in which I will teach you how you can find injection points for SSRF and you can perform account takeovers. Next bug that we are going to see is no rate limit. In no rate limit, we are going to perform no rate limit attacks on sign up creation as well as OTP brute force. We will also see how we can do account takeovers using no rate limit. After the attacks are completed, we are going to see complete mitigations of all the attacks, that how to secure yourself from those types of attacks. After that, we will see top interview questions and answers which are asked generally into any interview or internship. After that, we are going to cover top HackerOne reports complete breakdown into this course. So whatever bugs that you are going to learn into this course, we are going to see the complete breakdown of HackerOne reports, and you can try to simulate the same attacks that we will cover into our course. So basically we are not missing any type of attack. Later on, I will share some bonus tips and tricks into this course that will be useful for you into your bug hunting journey. So I hope you guys like this course and you start your bug bounty hunting journey with a kickstart and achieve a lot of success. May you get a lot of certifications, a lot of bounties, rewards, and Hall of Fames. Thank you.